Good morning. Go out there. I have lots to do today. There's a restock going live for Things It's Thrifted, my vintage business. Tomorrow I'm launching rentals also for Things It's Thrifted. So I have to get both of those ready today. I have to still add a whole bunch of items for the restock today. I don't have any more mini wheats for breakfast, so I'm going to Chick-fil-A. But that's okay because that's my second time this week. Second time because the first time I used points. And I'm gonna be at home all day. And then we're gonna go to the gym. I've been on my grind recently. Clean. We are moving soon to a townhouse. It's way bigger than this apartment that we have now. It has nicer, bigger backyard, garage, a 3-bed, so I can have my office and then an actual guest bedroom. So lots going on, and I'm gonna take you guys with me this entire weekend. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing? What? Come on. I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna close the door. Oh, now you wanna come in? Okay. Sometimes that's the only way I can get her to come in. Yes, good crate. Crate. Yeah. It's time to shower and get ready for the day. I'm actually gonna meet Mac and his mom for lunch today, which I'm very excited about, and then I'll go and do all of my errands and stuff like that afterwards. Say hi. Oh, goodness. Chica's on the table. Chica loves sitting on the counter while I do my makeup. It's just fine. I just picked up some packages for my sister. She's out of town right now. So I picked them up so that nobody would take them. They're here in the back. And I'm actually gonna drop off a bunch of packages over at UPS. And I'm just gonna head home. I've got some content I need to make, and I'm gonna walk Chica, film, edit, that sort of thing. Package some more, order. Slowly start packing for our move. Packages are all dropped off. Now I get to head home to Miss Chica. Chica, come here. Oh, did you go, girl? Yes, you love the sun. That's your favorite, huh? Smile. Chica. Chica, this way. Come on. Chica, come. Come here. Good girl. Me and Chica just went on a walk, and now, oh gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm trying to relax in bed, but she wants to play. So what should we do? Oh boy. Okay. She wants to play, so we're gonna go play. While I sit here and play with Chica, I figured I might try and catch up with you guys. So tomorrow I launch rentals on Things It's Thrifted. Oh my gosh. Okay, drop it. I'm so excited, so nervous for it. I just think it's gonna be a really cool thing. Basically, my reasoning behind it was I felt like when it came to vintage and stuff like that, there wasn't exactly a lot of options when it came to rentals. And as an avid lover of vintage, I love like cool vintage dresses and bags and things like that for special events. I'm engaged right now and I'm getting ready to be married in October, and all of like my looks and stuff like that, like I want like cool vintage designers and different things like that. Drop it. But I wasn't wanting to exactly shell out thousands of dollars for something that I'm really only going to wear that weekend or for one specific event. So I was really excited to sort of bring this to the table and kind of make rentals more widespread in like the vintage world and things like that. Drop it. And I feel like one of like my big things when I first started Things It's Thrifted itself was I wanted to make sustainability more available and affordable to everybody. So I think that this is just another way that I'm going to be able to do that. A lot more people are going to be able to like try and wear secondhand pieces for these different events. Oh my gosh. Instead of going first to like Revolve or something like that, they can come to Things with Thrifted Rentals and do all of that, which I'm very, very excited about. I am going to be working on that today. I need to film a whole bunch of content to kind of work and promote that. I feel like I haven't done a very good job of that. And that's really all I'll be doing tomorrow, to just sort of sitting around and just trying not to stress myself out while I watch rentals go live. A few things that I kind of need to update on the site for rentals too. Oh, thank you. Ow! No bite. But yeah, it's just a lot of fun things are going on right now. Finally sitting down, and I'm gonna get some of that email, computer work, working on rentals and getting a few different of the items up while Chica chews on her ice. And I watch Sex and the City. I've been rewatching it, and it's genuinely one of my favorite rewatches. It's one of my favorite shows to rewatch, like whenever like the seasons and stuff are changing. I don't know why. Just gets me in the mood, and it always, I feel like it never fails to make me feel super like, what's the word I'm looking for, productive. Like it gets me like in the mood. Swing. Do it to baby, do it to baby. Yeah, you good. Minutes. 12? Yeah. Making HelloFresh sweet and spicy apricot pork chops tonight. We've been trying to use HelloFresh a lot more. It's so much easier than having to like, why is she hiding behind
biting the tree?
What in the world? What are you doing, nutty girl? What are you doing? It's sweet treat o'clock. Look at Chica.
She thinks she's getting some.
Yeah, she definitely thinks she's getting some. Look at her. Oh, you're perched. Damn. Baked you up?
Yes, man.
Chica wants it. Look. M&M Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Good morning. I've been working on my computer all this morning, getting ready for the drop of rentals today. We're gonna go grab some coffee in a little bit, probably walk around downtown, hang out with Chica, and get my mind off of this for a little bit. I'm so excited though. Look how cute the site is looking.
Good morning.
Oh, good.
Oh, good morning.
She knew what had to be done. She did it. The wiener went back in. What? Do you want to come? You want to go with me? Oh. You're so cute. Going to grab some coffee. Mike's doing his hair in the car because he ordered some new hair cream and he left it in the car overnight, so let's see it. That's how he gets his signature swoop. We'll kill for that.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
I can't even see my hair, so I'm just hoping that it looks good.
Oh, that looks real good.
I think so.
Wow, that's what you've been missing. We're letting Chica use the restroom before we go in. So cute. little Target run. Love it. Literally, look how cute all of these are.
But I think it's weird.
Okay, the question is, do we get her a little Mini Cooper to match me? Or a little scooter?
Oh, she might like the scooter. She's dangerous.
She is. So sunny and feels so nice here in Georgia. So me and Mac are literally just sitting in the sun while Chica's using the restroom. Going to get Mac's favorite for lunch.
I hate Subway. I don't like it. I'd rather have Jersey Mike's. I'd rather
We didn't have a coupon for any of those.
I'd rather have Jersey Mike's. I'd rather have Firehouse. I'd rather have Jimmy John's. I'd rather have, I don't know what other sub place is. Basically any other sub place.
I would have been fine with any of those, but
McAllister's.
we just didn't have a coupon.
Coupon schmoupon. It saved us like $6.
Me and Chica look the same. That's $6. We're going to Home Goods. Gonna shop a little bit for our future apartment. Thank you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I need like accents. Okay, I'm getting these frames. How cute are they?
So cute.
Mac is making us some delicious bulgogi meatballs.
Shout out HelloFresh.
Literally love HelloFresh. Chef around here. I cooked last night, but that was like an anomaly actually. I never cook. Look how yummy. Yes, spicy sauce. Okay, I just got a PR package from Alani and he's freaking out because he's obsessed with it. You can open it.
Ooh, I haven't had these before.
What is it?
Hey, we're trying these tomorrow. I'm going ahead and put them in the fridge.
Oh my gosh.
I was about to buy a cup today.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's for me.
You have a cup.
I'm pretty sure that's
That looks like a
for
cup
me.
for me. I don't know.
Let me see it.
I love you.
No.
And Alani.
Wait. Me and Mac already drinking out of the new Alani water bottle. It's so cute because it has cherries all over it. You want some Chica? Morning! We're gonna go pick up our grocery order and grab some bagels, eat some breakfast at home, and we're gonna do lots of organizing and cleaning today. Chica absolutely hates when Mac goes inside, and so she sits in his seat until he comes back. It's the cutest thing ever. Where is he? We have had this fondue pot for like forever and we have not used it. We're finally using it tonight. We're making that, what is it? The Fiesta blend cheese from like Melting Pot. It's actually one of my favorite things ever. So I'm very intrigued to see if it'll...
I don't know if this is a good recipe or not. I found it online. I don't know if I can do anything.
Yeah, it's like a dupe, so we'll see. I'm gonna put these eggs up. Ooh,
I wish we had
look at
chips,
that.
bro. I wish we had chips.
Sorry. Guys, this is actually so good. We're using like some peppers too.
Might have to go back to the store.
10 out of
later
10.
this week.
Right? This is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And it literally tastes so similar. I don't really taste the difference at all.
This took like 2 seconds to cook.
Yeah. It was like $20. Tika, smile. No, no, no. 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 Nah. Hi. What are you doing? It's your girl. Just cuddling. Playing.
The way she's looking at the camera is concerning.
Off where I literally put anything on to be warm and I don't care how it looks. Clearly Mac does the same.